Okay then, year three, welcome back. What I wanted to do, slightly different session today. I just wanted you to take a look at how high you've climbed since the start. So if you've been with me since the beginning, this is your 25th lesson, so well done. And once again, as soon as I start recording, the dog is squeaking his toy. Apologies for that. So what I want you to do now, right, is there's a couple of fractions which you need to identify the parts that are shaded. Okay, then B is asking you to double three numbers. C is asking you to halve three numbers. D and E are two column additions. And then F, G, and H, I've asked you to either choose the less than or the more than symbol. Okay, so I'll make it a tiny bit smaller so you can see everything. There you go. So what you need to do now is pause the screen. Take your time, work your way through, and then press play when you're ready to go through the answers. Good luck. Okay then, so to identify the following fractions, remember, we've got our fraction line, and the number on the top, the numerator, is how many pieces are shaded. So for the first one piece is shaded, and how many pieces are there altogether? There's 4. So we would say that as 1/4. If I go across now to the one where 3 of my fractions are shaded, so that's on the top. And again, I've got 4 fractions in total. So we would say that as 3/4. That's agreed. Keep squeaking. Sorry, guys. I can't bring myself to taking it off him. I love him too much. So the next fraction is 2/6. If you wanted to be super duper smart, you could say, well, I'm going to convert that into 1/3. Don't worry about that if you don't know what that is, but if you've been shown by a parent, well done. And then the last one, how many pieces are shaded? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many pieces are there altogether? There are 8. So 4/8 are shaded. Again, well, 4 is half of 8. So if you wanted to, you could say a half has been shaded in. Going down to B now, double the following. We've got, actually I'll change colour pen so you can see the difference. Go green today. We've got 84. If we double 42, double 28 is 56. Double 39 is 78. Halve the following. Half of 18 is 9. Half of 36 is 18. Half of 124. Well, in my head, I halved the 100 to get 50. I halved 24 to get 12, and then I added the two answers together. So I get 62. 183 add 48. I'll do it super duper small by here. 3 add 8 is 11. 8 add 4 is 12. Add the 1 is 13. We get 231 on the first one. And the next one, if I write it underneath it like that, we get 11, 10, 3. So we get 301. And then remember, whether it's less than or more than, we always eat the larger number. So as long as it's quite hard actually to do symbols on the iPad. So we always eat the larger number, yeah? So there you go, there's all your answers. So like I said, think about this mountain. Yep, you're climbing it. The maths mountain, you're climbing this maths mountain. You're doing really, really well. All right, keep it going, and I look forward to seeing you next lesson. Maths is fun.